supposed to be one of my rants, online rants. Pero I'll keep the profanity light, or so would other people say light. Hmm. Aside from online profanity, which is for me, is fuck. Kulang eh. If internet lacks frequent use of profanity, para bang anak ng poeta naman oh, this would be one of our flaws as Filipinos out there. We're just too polite. You know what I'm saying? Too polite to, you know, you get what I mean? Para bang, we always try to be polite, exert different aspects of our, para bang we try not to be ourselves. And this is actually open to others. So do not hesitate to pass this on and fuck. Damn it. Nakakainis eh. Kulang yung profanity dito eh. Sa internet mismo, kulang yung profanity. So like, it's what we lack eh. That's why I said, we have to express ourselves. Kasi sometimes that's what we do. Pero, ang problema, we don't use profanity that much. We don't get our message across completely. Even though when we're pissed off and such, hindi tayo nagbumura tulad ng putang ina mo or gago ka, fuck you. Hindi natin ginagamit yan eh. Pero, kung sa ibang website, polite, sa iba't ibang vlogs naman, you get to speak out. It's like a rant or, ano yun? Yun. And, basically, profanity, lagi nandyan yan eh. It's always there. It's been there since ancient times. People already swore. And, di mawala yun eh. It's like, it's always been a part of us. Always been a part of everyday life, where people get sworn at, people swear, and, you know, but what really bugs me is that marami nagiging plastic eh, you know? It's all like, damn, we are good. You're gonna turn into some fucking hypocrite. Some fucking hypocrite. That's what yung ano eh, para man ang babanas sa ibang tao, nakakabanas din. Is that they try to be so polite, maski nagagalit na sila, na o-offend na sila, kagalit, o-offend, ganun eh. Pangatlo, yes, aside from nagagalit or offended, that they try to reason out. Yun ang pinakaayaw nila. Yun ang pinaka-inaayaw nila, yung pagmumura. Pero, it's kinda natural eh. Like a natural reaction to stuff when we're really angry, or gulat din, or and sa maraming reasons eh. But that's what really bugs me. Bakit nagiging plastic ang mga Pinoy? Or different people along the web nagiging plastic? Just like on Chrissy from the Caramel Dance, it's quite a normal reaction. I'm shit, it's a normal reaction. But, I sensed a bit of limitation dun eh. Which was kinda, bam. Like, dude, nagano'n ako. Naisip ako, nung ako makinig yan. Parang nung po medyo, ano pa, paano nangyari yun? Ano naman ako, nung lumabas naman, when I talked to Mr. Mike Abundo on, who, on my opinion, really unlocked what's deep within me. Now I'm not afraid to use profanity on the web. because that's a fact. Profanity will always stay there, no matter what happens. And Grant,